Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Behind me, it's all my book from my tractor, Mahindra eMax 20S HST, outstanding red workhorse tractor, and all the implements. All right, this is all the maintenance book. I've got also my Honda generator. All these books have all one thing in common. Of course, it's for my tractor Mahindra, but they have other thing in common. All right. So stick around. We're going to talk about it. All right. All right, folks. So like my good friend Luke from Orange is my tractor. You're gonna see the picture right now. Here we go. So you can see him looking at his book, learning every aspect of his new generator, how to connect it and everything. I've got here my generator. It's a Honda. I already made a few videos, but for the maintenance of it. And all my books, maintenance book for all my implements. What I'm trying to say to you is basically read it, okay? And when I say read it, just don't read it like this and that's it. Hear it like, what I mean by that is use a highlighter, put some sticky mark page, I don't remember the word. Like here, I've got all the number from 1 all the way to, if I take here, what are we talking? The maintenance for the fuel valve, everything. I highlight stuff. I use I fold the page I don't need. I do, let's say, highlight it, like the important step. Like here, let run to cool down. So, so once the generator's been running, let it run to cool down. Yeah. So everything here, I've got my Mahindra tractor. Same thing. I mark the page. This is very important. X. Okay, what they have at the X place there? Oh yes, it's all the routine maintenance schedule, and of course I highlight various stuff that I need to look at it and like everything in there. I already made a video about, I think it was last year or 2 years ago about it. So when you buy a new implement, when you buy a new tractor, a new item, especially they're so much expensive. So what I do, for me, my trick is to I use that Sharpie. I'm not making publicity, but any highlighter, when I'm writing it, if I take a page, it's very important, like just open, okay, inspection item. So I will highlight the stuff, and by highlighting it, I guess that is connected to my brain and check item there were faulty yesterday. So I highlight it and I don't, it go right in my brain and it stick there. This is one trick you can use. It worked pretty good with me. And same thing, like I bet you all the guys who have their loader, did you took the time to read the loader book? It's full of very important information. What's the lifting capacity? What's the maintenance? How often you should grease? Same thing with your backhoe. Like I have my, you can tell it's dirty, but I have all the important stuff. It's highlighted and what to do for the maintenance. I have all my markers and everything. Now for the snowblower, I spend countless hours of reading it because I really need to know everything. Like look at that, I like basically all the important, and that page is a red one. You see, this is an important one. So how to adjust, how to change the bolt, what's the RPM best. So yeah, it's a good word of advice to you, good folks. And once you read it once, doesn't keep you to read. Please do a refresher. There's a place in that book, it's on the Mahindra, that I read every single year just to bring me to try to bring me. It's called the safety precaution. Is right, if I can turn the markers right here. Safety tips during maintenance. All right, before I do the maintenance once a year, I read all these pages, and there's various stuff. It's very important to just remind you how dangerous these items can be. The following precautions are suggested to help prevent accident, like everything about safety. Just to For me, prevention is a vital factor. So please do use your highlighter, your sticky marker page. You can you post it also, like, and yeah, it's worth it. I mean, like the generator, man, though, I bought it. It was I don't remember the storm back in 2011, but trust me, I read it, and I learned a lot of stuff about it. Want to do the oil change, like here, like the scheduled maintenance, and everything, the engine oil, how to make it happen, like, and everything. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. The importance, and I mean, it's a life investment for me. That tractor, it's worth it. It cost me with all the implement included. It's more than 30K Canadian. I think it was 33 or 34,000, everything included. So that's a lot of money for me. And for all of so what I do is I read my manual, make sure that I'll follow the maintenance step, read the safety thing, like the last my video, how to jack, inspect your jacks also. So by highlighting it, this is connected to my brain, and as soon as I highlight stuff, it goes to my brain like a scanner, a pencil. It would be nice to have that wire connected to that, and okay, I remember everything. So please look me up. Anyway, so I have a good, right now it's 16 degrees Celsius. It's the first day, then it's been 2-3 weeks. We have a cold rain, and yeah, so I really enjoy it. We are the 26th of April, and it's about time that we have spring. All right, so please, life is good. Do take care of yourself. Enjoy your new thing that you bought, and or revisited them. If you have a tractor about 10, 20, 30 years, read the stuff. It'll be interesting. So please do take care of yourself. And thank you again for your outstanding support. All right, folks. Cheers. I completely forgot also my Stihl chainsaw, my leaf blower, and if you think it only apply for your tractor therapy toys, I'm doing a course right now for the next 6 months, and you can see from here that I'm highlighting stuff. So please. It's a great way to learn for me. Use your highlighter, mark the page, and you'll be in business. All right, cheers.